Hi everybody and welcome to NAMM 2019 here in Orange County, California. You're inside the NAMM booth and I'm giving you a first look into the mydmx Go. Now you probably remember seeing this at LDI and now this product is actually shipping, and let me just tell you, the excitement on this is really building. Right now we have a nice little setup where we have a couple Pocket Pros, InnoPocket Z4s, and also our Mega Hex Bars, which we call a Mega Flat Hex Pack, but it's all patched into the Go. And let me just tell you, once you patch your fixtures, all you gotta do is just set the addresses, channel modes, and as soon as you launch the app, they're pretty much ready to go. It's really a cool app. Now on the left you have all of your movements, on the right you have all of your colors, so those are all effects. Imagine like with mydmx 3.0, the effects generator, all of that technology is built into the Go, and the idea with this is just plug and play. As soon as you address your fixtures, you're ready to start the event. Now some of the other features I maybe did not mention before, and I'll try to go over as quickly as possible, is we do have, again, the movements where all of them are preset, but you actually have parameter controls as far as the phasing, the speed, and all of that good stuff to really make an effect unique to your liking. Now, one really cool thing to note too, hopefully I can bring this over to the camera so you guys can see. So you can actually see the levels like a regular DMX controller that you're doing on your fixtures. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna select a group. So just by clicking on the little icon there that has multiple scanners, now I have my Pocket Pro selected, and I'm just gonna hit this grid, and you actually have your grid. So you can actually control where the lights are gonna be focused. So you might hit a circle effect and maybe it's scanning all around the room. Now you can adjust to have just on the dance floor or just towards the front of your event or your venue, and it's really simple to do. You could do it per fixture. So right now, this is for the Pocket Pros. And there's for my Pocket Z4s. Now that's pretty neat that you can do each independent fixture because, as you know, every moving head has different X and Y capabilities, so not all of them are gonna be the same, but once you have them all focused to your liking, there's no saving or anything you gotta do. All you gotta do is just go back into your live mode and continue the party. So just a very fun app. This is available now. You could go to your local retailer or favorite online dealer and order the mydmx Go. And of course, for more information, you can always check out adj.com.